So my mom said that it was so difficult to live in that house, and the sense that you would feel constant presence. That I to kept like leaving the house, and like my father would go to work and she would go to her mother's house. In the day, she wouldn't stay away, like matlab, alone with the child.
And your child is just there.
You know, very
ये दिन में भूत बंगले में नहीं, रात में ही जाएंगे वापस सोने के लिए. भूत बंगला तो रात को ही जाते हैं, सेफ होता है.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Ma Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Ma Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है, माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है, माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा, माँ कसम जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ.
She is one of my favorite comedians on the circuit. Put your hands together and please welcome Sumaira Sheikh!
Yes! Hello, mast.
Hello! आओ जी आओ, बैठो.
Hi. Two people said hi.
Sumaira कैसे हो, क्या चल रहा है?
All good. I'm actually very excited to do this, is because you guys are like OGs. आप लोग कब से कर रहे हो?
Way to call us old.
मुझे genuinely बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and I'm also friends with one of you guys, so that's amazing.
Yeah.
One?
Caught.
Yeah.
तो हम क्या
We are colleagues.
We have, yeah. We've written several shows together.
Yes.
And,
Yes. None of them came out.
Yeah. Because we wrote them. Awesome.
But first we'll do a mailbag.
Yeah.
Yes.
चलो.
Okay. So, Sumaira, this person has written into us saying, Ma Kasam, this is a true story. I had booked a session with a therapist that I found online. I went for 2-3 sessions with him. On the 4th session, I found his office locked. When I asked around, I found out that he has been arrested for fraud and that he wasn't a therapist at all. The most confusing thing about this situation was that in those 2-3 sessions, I had actually found him helpful. But I like how this guy just said one day, कि आज से मैं Sigmund Freud. Like,
Segment fraud, nice.
Wow, that's a very good one. I studied psychology. 5-star for this joke.
thank you.
Hey, you
As
study.
a psychologist, you're going to rate his joke.
This is how he became a therapist. Do you think that someone can just help somebody without knowing what they're doing?
If you're very broken, then that can happen. I have hugged boys.
Sometimes you just need somebody to listen to.
Yes, yeah.
वो कुछ सिखाया नहीं, उसी से जाके बोला, देख मेरे साथ ये हुआ, फिर ये हुआ, ये बैठा है उधर, हाँ भाई बोलते रहे. 4,000 rupees.
No, so in your opinion, who is better? A fake psychologist with lots of patience and experience, or a psychology student with no patience or experience?
Fake psychologist
Fake psychologist.
with patience and experience. Because that's what you need, I feel, in life. Don't you guys agree? Okay. They didn't agree.
We have 100 psychologists right now who are just like, हाँ बताओ और.
Any other psychologists here?
Anybody?
there.
Yeah, you're a psychologist? Yeah, what?
Show your degree.
No. But what is your opinion on this?
तो it could be also because कि उसको इतना आदत है सुनने का, तो it could be one that, and maybe he would have just read books and attended those workshops जो आजकल self-help gurus आते हैं.
हाँ.
That helps.
हाँ, on
Yeah.
real तो everybody is a therapist, bro.
That guru is only a therapist, you know that one. आपसे कोई प्रेम क्यों करेगा?
Yeah.
It's my favorite.
Dude,
Bro.
my dumbest. Okay, this is the recent video I saw of his. Okay.
ये वो है ना जो crowd work करता है.
हाँ, crowd work करता है. Yes, curly hair.
That is true.
ताहिर शाह, हाँ. So, एक बच्चा आके बोलता है कि मुझे लगता है कि दुनिया अगर गोल है तो हम दुनिया से यहाँ पे खड़े तो टपकते क्यों नहीं?
I feel like this
And
is an
he-
old bhai musing also.
एंड द गाय गोज के देखो तुम्हारे दादी जी हैं होता है, हाँ, और दादाजी है नहीं, टपक गए.
So this story happened to me and my family, and
Sorry,
I
one
was
second.
yes.
पहले माँ कसम खाओ.
माँ कसम, माँ कसम, this happened. अब मेरी मम्मी है और टपकी भी नहीं है. बट माँ कसम, माँ कसम. मैं 4th स्टैंडर्ड में थी और स्कूल में, एंड आई थिंक मुंबईकर्स विल नो दिस कि हमारा हिल स्टेशन दैट वी कीप गोइंग टू इन समर वेकेशन इज महाबलेश्वर. एंड every summer vacation we used to go there, and there was this one restaurant that we really liked, okay, to go, and वहाँ पे मतलब we used to go for breakfast and sometimes for dinner as well. So and the one couple ran this restaurant, and the outlet of this restaurant was such कि अगर आपको washroom use करना है, it's a small restaurant, अगर washroom use करना है तो they have like a small office area type that you have to cross and then you go to the washroom.
I thought office में.
माँ कसम. That's not the story. So we used to, हम जैसे मैंने breakfast में जाते थे, एक बार मतलब कभी कभी dinner तो हम dinner के लिए गए, and we didn't meet the couple this time, and my father had to go use the loo, and रात का time था, I think कुछ 10 साढ़े 10 बज रहे होंगे, and he went, I like how you checked your watch right now. He went to the loo, and as he's going to the loo, the office light is on, and so he decided to take a peek, like कौन है. Met the husband. He said, hi, how are you, like, you know, we are back again, the family. Had a proper conversation, like a minute conversation. Said the husband was doing accounts. वहाँ पे बैठ के वो restaurant के accounts कर रहा था and all of that. Went to the washroom, came back, all cool. Second day, we go for breakfast. We meet the wife this time. And he says, hi, hello, by the way, your husband. And she says, yeah, he passed away.
Last that night or oh.
Passed away months ago. And my father was just too shocked, okay, and he said, no, I met your husband, and she thought he's like, you know, fucking around with her, so she was very like, नहीं उनकी तो death हो गई है, मैं थी.
मैं नहीं मारा है उनको. अपने हाथों से चाकू लेके पहुंच दिया मैंने.
Definitely.
वो टपक गए.
And so he was too shocked and he's too scared, okay, so of course my mother comes to comfort him, and we are as kids, हमारे तो बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं कि वो हमारे बाप की गांड फट गई.
अबे भूत देखा पापा ने.
And so my mother started comforting him, saying that you definitely met someone else. Definitely met. There was someone who resembled him. You resembled him, okay. So then my father, but we went again, okay, for dinner or something. So he casually brought up. He's like, और आपके accounts कौन देखता है अभी? Like, you know, so some guy, and she's like, नहीं मैं ही देखती हूँ, कोई नहीं देखता, रात को तो ऑफिस बंद भी रहता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. And so he's getting like more freaked out, okay. So my mother was like, we won't go to this restaurant only for some time. And then my mother till day, if you bring this up with her, she'll always tell my father very confidently, you met some guy who resembled him, do not worry. And we always tell our father, आप तो भूत से मिलके आए हो. But yeah, this is a story.
And he like still to this day believes that
It's the guy, because he said I had a conversation. I said मैं अपनी family के साथ फिर से आया हूँ. How are you? And he said I'm fine.
Had you met this man before?
Yes.
When you had gone before you?
Yes.
So he knew what he looked like.
Yes, fully, and how he sounded and everything. And still he was like and he keeps like my mother gaslights him very well. So he will keep like explaining कि वही था, and my mother would be like, नहीं, तुम्हारा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है. तुम भूत
ये एक
से नहीं
साइकोलॉजिस्ट का नंबर है, आप जरा मेरे को गूगल पे मिला.
So yeah, this is we stopped eventually.
What's
we
your
just
best
stopped.
theory? What do you think happened here?
I also I as a child was very excited, okay, and I used to always tell my parents कि वापस जा देना और restaurant. My mom was like नहीं because इनको बहुत डर लगता है अभी. And washroom, so I think my father also has this habit. He'll go to a restaurant and he'll use the washroom for sure.
He has to.
He has to.
कि बिल भरा है तो पूरा वसूल करो.
भाई मैं तो ये करता हूँ. कभी नहीं भी आ रहा तो भाई.
Like he can't drive. Like he has to use the washroom and then get into his car.
Okay.
So this is out of question only for us now, because dinner and then he like it just like fucks him up mentally.
So he doesn't go to bathrooms anymore in restaurants.
No, we don't go to this restaurant
That
anymore.
restaurant.
Yeah, we don't. Yes.
Oh man.
बट
Yeah,
सारा
we
भूत हमेशा लाइक बहुत सारा भूत महाबलेश्वर में बहुत स्टोरीज है यार.
Yeah.
भूत अकाउंट्स तो भाई.
But
This is the first booth accountant I've heard of. That's true.
कि मेरी जिंदगी अधूरी रह गई लेकिन अकाउंट्स
वो अभी तक सीए क्लियर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
Oh man, and did he tell you any more details about that conversation?
He said it was very straightforward conversation that you have with someone you're meeting after one whole summer, which is I've come here with my family, nice to see you, oh kids are fine, all of those things.
Did he mention strawberries? That's the way to check.
You know, it'd be hilarious. Like
क्योंकि भूत को तो स्ट्रॉबेरी नहीं पसंद होगी.
her dad has this conversation, walks away, and the booth is like, क्या पका रहा था यार?
हाँ, इससे अच्छा तो मैं मर जा. और मैं तो मर गया.
Has he ever had another interaction with a ghost?
He keeps having that.
He
So
keeps having them.
ये बताओ अभी माथेरान में क्या हुआ?
Let's go.
और
Let's
उसके बाद
go.
करजत, फिर अलीबाग और लोनावला. आखिर में खंडाला and then
Does he meet different professions or? आज डीजे से मिला मैं. अभी तक.
where else has he seen?
So now he's met multiple booths in his life. Okay.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So this one house, I was not even born in that house. My parents stayed in that house, and mera eldest brother was born. He was 1 year old, and this is one house where my mother also confirms that it was. Like
She has also seen.
yes, like she's felt like the
तो she's like, ये
presence.
वाला भूत असली है, लेकिन वो अकाउंटेंट साला वो झूठ है, वो नहीं देखा तूने.
वो आप पागल हो रहे हो.
ये मैंने देखा है. तो रियल है.
मैं फील करती हूँ. तो my mom said that it was so difficult to live in that house, and the sense that you would feel constant presence, that I तो kept like leaving the house, and like my father would go to work and she would go to her mother's house. In the day she wouldn't stay away, like मतलब alone with the child.
And your child is just there.
you know
ये
very
दिन में भूत बंगले में नहीं, रात में ही जाएंगे वापस सोने के लिए. भूत बंगला तो रात को ही जाते हैं, सेफ होता है.
अरे आपने अकाउंट्स नहीं करके रखा है. So this once my father came back from work and he said उन्होंने आवाज लगाई नीचे से 3 माले का ही whatever building थी, and my mom came and my mom's voice said हाँ मैं ऊपर हूँ whatever, something like very similar to my mom's voice, and he thought okay ये है घर पे. So he climbed all the way up, went and saw that it was locked and came back down, and then वो time पे landlines होते थे, you can't like call. That time like he freaked out and like located my mother. My mother was at my nani's house and my mom was like मैं तो नहीं थी वहाँ पे.
आ जाओ ऊपर आ जाओ.
इतने प्यार से तो आज तक नहीं बात की तुमने. कहाँ है सुमायरा? नानी के घर पे. ओह अच्छा, ये ताला क्यों लगा है? अरे खोलो, तुम्हारे लिए सब.
No, I mean like the ghost is just waiting for her moment.
Yeah.
Just wait, कोई बोलेगा.
CA classes.
No, but what do you know? Any other like what was the story behind this ghost? Did you ever find out? What was-
My mom said that we constantly kept hearing noises and voice, and then मेरा जो भाई था वो पता नहीं
How old
कौन,
was he at the
he
time?
was 1 year old.
Okay.
And he would constantly keep running towards the door, okay, and just constantly like stand there and like as if he's being called by someone or like sort of trying to like escape the,
Wrong day.
yeah, like open the door
Oh
and
ये
so.
हिंदी grudge.
And the parents are just amazed. इसको तो चलना भी नहीं आता है.
Did your brother see ghost? Does he?
No, he has no memory of this. But my father is so freaked out by ghosts that he will never abhi bhi, like he can't sleep alone in a room. Like my family has to like always logistically figure out some way that one person is always with him. Always. So
But
yeah.
technically he's never alone.
I was just gonna. There is somebody always with him.
As any great story starts, this one starts with a breakup. So at that time, I was living in Pune and I was dating this girl in Bombay. This went on for about a year, and after a year, I realized that this was not the person for me. So I decided to break up.
You made it sound like she broke up with you.
So I was like, I was heartbroken, even though I broke up with her and I knew it was ending. And because of that, my work, my quality of my work deteriorated very quickly. And they let me go after about a month or so. Around this time, a cousin visited me and she's like, there's this person who organizes cycle trips to Goa. So and
Cycle trip to Goa.
Yeah.
But you start in Goa, you start here.
You start in Bombay. You cycle for 11 days, 9 hours a day.
Fuck, 1 second. Much like other, I have heard psychedelic trips
Yeah.
in Goa.
Which would make sense.
इन गोवा टू गोवा कैसे हो रहा है हाईवे पे
Oh shit, huh? So cycle trips.
Cycle trips, yeah.
Huh.
So I bought a cycle
What year was this?
10 years ago now.
Okay.
We started from Church Gate के आगे क्या Gateway of India. हाँ तो वहाँ से जो ship निकलती है. So we boarded the ship. What?
तुम अच्छा तो तू बोट पे स्टेशनरी बाइक पे स्टैंड उतार और दूध वाला साइकिल लेके
Wait, so you didn't actually cycle?
No, we did. So we started from like we boarded the ship and then we crossed about like for half an hour we were on the ship and then we started our cycling journey from the other end of the whatever.
Where you got off?
Where we got off, yeah. All across our journey, we were always on the coast.
क्या बात है?
This went on for like 11 days, 9 hours a day job होता है वैसे ही था, but labor job था. So
One second, what part of this is fun? How many of y'all were there?
15, 20, around 15, 20.
Fuck.
So another person who was with me, he was as old as me. So he was riding a solar powered bicycle. When you're uphill, so that was the only time he had to pedal. Otherwise, he was constantly cruising.
डाउन हिल में तो वैसे भी पेडल नहीं करना होता है
अबे
छोड़ देता हूँ मैं।
फ्लैट पे भी वो चलते जाते हैं अपना.
Salil is putting in effort. This guy just no,
Wow, bro.
no hands.
हाँ, so he's
So we had a truck with us.
and up.
A truck.
You've had a ship, a cycle, and
A solar
truck.
cycle,
a solar cycle,
and a truck.
and a truck.
On a cycling trip.
एंड 16 साइकिल भी था
हाँ, 16 cycle.
फिर
So we had a truck with us in case any of the cycles broke down. So they had a couple of extra cycles to kept on the truck.
वो ट्रक पीछे चल रहा है
तो बोल किसी का साइकिल खराब हुआ ना तो ऐसा नहीं कि तू ट्रक में आ जा ये ले भैंचो देखो और साइकिल पेडल मारना बंद नहीं करेगा ये करके रहेगा तू अरे लेकिन आपके पास ट्रक है नहीं तू पेडल कर साले पेडल कर ऊपर नहीं आना पेडल कर मैं गोवा पहुंचूंगा so once
भाई तुम लोग साइकिल पे तो ट्रक को ही पकड़ लेते ना
You know who I'm feeling bad for? The truck guy who has to drive at the speed of the cycle. बोला मेरा max speed 180 है, मैं 13 पे चला रहा हूँ.
So he didn't drive with us. He drove about 20 kilometers ahead.
course.
Stopped there, and then he used to wait for us to join him.
तो अगर वो 20 किलोमीटर में साइकिल खराब हुई तो फिर क्या करेगा?
अरे फिर उसको फोन करेंगे ना वापस फिर वो साइकिल चला के आएगा फिर ये लोग डबल सीट करके जाए अरे वो आगे बैठेगा ना रेलिंग पे उसके साथ
अरे साहब एक बात बताओ, ये किसके लिए मजेदार है? ये जो आप अमीर लोग करते हो क्या कैसे करते हो? Then you got a truck.
So this went on for 11 days.
this went on for sure.
Kept going for 11 days, 9. It was fun because I was, as I said, dopamine hit नहीं था तो ये exercise से वो थोड़ा serotonin dopamine बढ़ जाता है.
Yeah. The
खुश
best
रहते
way to get over a breakup is to do something worse.
You cycle so hard, तुम्हारा mental capacity नहीं है. अरे विमला.
Vimla.
You reached Goa.
Yeah, so I reached Panjim. I put my bicycle in the truck along with everyone else's. It went back to Bombay.
It went back.
Now you're stranded in Goa. अरे भाई वापस कैसे जाओ? ये return में walking trip है.
One guy's got solar powered shoes. He just walks up.
वो खाली ऊपर जाते टाइम यूज करता है
So the truck has gone to Bombay.
Yeah.
And you are in Goa.
I'm in Goa. So this was around the end of December, 25th के बाद का. So I landed in Goa in Panjim on 25th.
Land तो नहीं गया भाई. तू land पे ही था.
I pedaled all the way to Goa on the 25th. So 31st complete party environment. तो पहले भी मतलब party environment था पर 31st के level का नहीं था. I'm like yeah party mode on. तो 31st को New Year's हुआ and then an hour 2 hours after the New Year's the party died down, and everyone went to bed. Everyone went left and went home.
Yeah.
But
अनिल
I
भाई,
was-
मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. हाँ हाँ, आज साइकिल तेरा भाई चलाएगा.
So I was like, कि bro, अभी तो party चालू हुई है, 2 बजे कौन बंद करता है? And I said to the owner कि भाई Rohit, let's go somewhere. I can't do this, man. I mean, I'm too pumped up to let the party die. So he and another friend of his, he's like, okay, चल तेरे को कहीं लेके जाते. So they're like, we'll go to Baga. So we reached Baga. We reached the club, and again we kept drinking. And I had this sudden surge of energy. I was like, कि आज तो party करेंगे, आज party खत्म नहीं होनी चाहिए. And तो for the first time I was really happier as compared to the past couple of months कि भाई दोपहरी कहानी तो पता है. तो उसके बाद मैं बोला कि आज तो बहुत मचाएंगे. So I kept dancing, and after a while I lost my friends, and they probably went to the bar to get a drink, and they never returned. So I was
Don't
like,
think they were your friends.
So I saw the sea, and I was like, कि bro, आज तो मेरे को तैरना है. So I walked into the ocean, and I could see. I was like, कि bro, I can see lights there, so there's probably a ship there.
और उसमें मेरी साइकिल होगी तो जाके ले ले.
So I was like, कि let's test my swimming prowess.
So you have gone from bar to आज कुछ मचाता हूँ, तो you've jumped in the water,
Yeah.
seen ship, you like चल.
चल.
हाँ.
So I was like, full of energy. I was like, कि bro, आज तो मेरे को swimming करना है. So fully clothed with my phone, wallet, everything in my pockets, I just jumped into the ocean and started swimming towards the lights.
Shit.
So this I swam for I don't know how long, but the lights never came close.
वो वहीं बीच में पानी में ऐसे छप 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 करते जा रहे हैं.
तो तू ब्रेक भी नहीं ले सकता ना कि मैं थोड़ा टाइम चिल करता हूँ. So you actually swam.
I swam into the ocean. So this went. I swam for maybe 45 minutes, an hour or so, and the lights never came close.
Because that's also going somewhere. No?
Probably, I don't know. So they were still out there. So I was like, कि bro, ये तो गड़बड़ है. So then I was like, कि okay. I stopped there for a couple of minutes. I was like, कि should I keep going? Should I? I was like, कि no, बहुत हो गया.
शाख आते हैं. गोवा किस तरह उधर जाए. इन्हें फिन पकड़ा दे. साइकिल चाहिए, साइकिल बेचता हूँ.
You swam for 45 minutes.
Probably, I don't know. It was dark, so I don't know. I mean,
Bro, he was so high, it was 4 minutes.
तो time dilation हो गया.
हाँ, and his mind is like, fuck, बहुत हो गया.
So I turned around and I was like, okay, I'll swim back to the ocean. But I turned around and I couldn't see anything again. So it was completely dark. So I couldn't see where land was. कि कौन से direction में land है वो भी पता नहीं था. So I just picked a direction and I was like, उधर land होगा probably. So
वास्को ढका मत.
तेरी और वास्को ड गामा की सेम सोच है.
होगा
उधर
कुछ
लैंड
तो.
होगा.
So I started swimming in some direction. I didn't know where it was. And this went on for another 45 minutes or now. And so around this time, it's sort of like the sun was coming up.
Sun has also come up now.
Yeah, it was around 5-6 in the morning.
Oh fuck.
तू तैरते जा रहा है.
हाँ, so I after about 45 minutes, I realized that I could see land, but not the same land that I had left from.
And Sri Lanka. चल कोलंबो चले जाए.
So there was no club on the beach. There was nothing.
There was no club on the beach.
1.5 घंटे स्विम कर रहा है. क्लब है क्या? पार्टी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. लैंड मैच में क्लब.
So there was nothing on the beach. It was an empty beach. So I finally, I was like, I crawled onto the beach and I fell on the sand, and I was like, thank God I'm safe. And suddenly I felt this jolt of energy. I was like, bro, नहीं.
ये तेरे को एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही है पता नहीं. लेकिन हर 25 मिनट में एनर्जी. अभी तैरूंगा. उसका तूने क्या माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग किया? Then I fucking free soloed a mountain. And eventually I did paragliding.
Fuck, you get a jolt of energy on the beach.
Yeah, so I was so happy that I had actually found land. I was like, bro, I'm safe. I'm not gonna drown in the middle of the ocean, in the middle of nowhere where nobody knows me. So my parents won't even find me for like another couple of years.
Yeah.
So that was not the case. So I reached land and I was like, bro, आज तो तूने मचा दिया. आज बहुत खुश है. So I was like, "Ki, bro, now you've reached nirvana." I was so happy. Ki I forgot about my sad breakup. I forgot about everything. I was like, "Ki, bro, तूने nirvana achieve कर लिया है." So I was like, "Ki, bro, यार ये तो बहुत सही है. I'm gonna be a hermit now. I give up all worldly possessions."
अबे इतना करने के बाद
क्या?
देखो क्लब मिला कि नहीं?
इसीलिए तो hermit.
नहीं वो क्लब में क्या होता सर सॉरी सर ओनली कपल एंट्री हाँ देन यू डिसाइडेड टू बिकम अ hermit.
Yeah, I was like, "Ki, bro, ये नहीं चाहिए कुछ. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ." So I give up. So
And this is because you have found life back
Yeah,
from
so I
ocean.
found, so I was in the throes of depression before I had started the trip, or even before I had started that particular night.
Yeah.
So, and I'd never felt that happy. So when you're in depression, you don't know what past, present, future is. You're just in the moment, and your brain is completely fucked.
It's a horrible cycle.
Yeah, yeah. So, and
बेचारा एकदम pouring his heart out इतना अच्छे से बोल रहा है कि ऐसा होता है ना साइकिल.
and
Something about being lost at sea jolted you out of that thing.
yeah, and lost at sea and coming back to the land, and I was like, "Ki, bro, ये तो this is the act of God."
क्या मेटाफोर है भाई? कि तू डूब गया था लेकिन अभी वापस
हाँ. So I was like, "Ki, bro, this. I give up on everything in life. I just want to be now, be here and be happy." So I decided, you know what? I don't need these earthly possessions. I took out my wallet, took out my phone, which was fucked because of the water. I threw it on the sand, and then I started taking off my clothes. I was keeping, ये भी नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. So then I took off my shirt, took off my pant, took off my underpants, and I was like, "Ki, bro, yes, this is what it should be like." And
Nanga.
Nanga, pura Nanga.
हाँ.
And then I was like, "Ki, bro, chalega abhi." Now, I didn't have any goal in mind. So I was like, "Ki, bro, I just kept walking on the beach. And then I saw a street that went to the main road.
Wait, you're butt naked at this point.
Yeah, completely. So I went to the main road and I started walking. I was like, "Ki, okay, now where?" And then that didn't really pop into my head for a while. I kept walking, like, yeah, बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. And then it popped into my head, maybe I should go back to the hostel now. So I said, I just picked a direction and I
Did
started
people
walking.
see you in Goa?
It was 5:30, 6:30
On
in the
1st of
morning.
January, तो कोई उठा तो नहीं होएगा.
मैं रात के कोई सोए भी नहीं है.
So apparently this might be a common occurrence in Goa because there's a lot of clothes shops on the road, if you've noticed.
That is not for because people are roaming around naked. What to these clothes shops?
this
People
business
very
model?
clothes.
अबे what is this business model? पैसा कैसे देगा वो? आप क्रेडिट कार्ड यहाँ स्वाइप करो यहाँ पे. स्कैन करो.
So after about an hour of walking, I came across a house in the middle of nowhere, and there was this girl standing there drinking coffee. नहीं वैसा कुछ नहीं है. So I was walking and she waved to me. I was like, "ये कौन है?" So I looked closer and she was one of the girls that I met at the party last night.
And then
at
she
the
looked
hostel.
closer.
So yeah, and she was one of the girls I met at the party last night, and she sort of waved me over, and she's like, "Come in." And I went into the door.
Just marching.
So I went through the door, main gate, and then I stood at the footsteps at the veranda. And she's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "What do you mean?" And she's like, "You're naked." I was like, "So?" And she's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm just very happy now." And she's like, "Okay, do you want some coffee?" And I'm like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" So I sort of like, I went in.
I would ask, you want some
Clothes.
pants?
Yeah.
You want some coffee? Yeah. And then he just walked. You want venti?
Cafe Tatte.
So she offered you coffee.
And so I went in and she then offered me a towel to cover myself up.
Thank fuck.
And so I sat there for a while, had some coffee, talked to her, and she then offered me to drop me back to the hostel. So she knew where the hostel was.
तो
And-
तौलिया में गया
So she had a roommate whose clothes she offered me. She's like, wear this, I'll take you back to the hostel.
तो अभी तू फ्रॉक में घूम रहा है मैं ड्रेस पहन
Male roommate. So kapde diye, and then she dropped me back to the hostel. I went back to my dorm. I fell in my bed. I slept for 12 hours straight.
I think that's 4 days lesser than how much you should have. क्योंकि अगर मैं 11 दिन साइकिल 1.5 घंटा स्विमिंग 2 घंटा वॉकिंग
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.